थेरेपी की मैंने बताया जो प्लेटिनम बेस करते हैं उसमें दो तरह की दवाइयाँ होती हैं। फर्स्ट लाइन ट्रीटमेंट जो होता है इसमें दो तरह की दवाइयाँ, पहली तो है आपकी कार्बोप्लेटिन और दूसरी आपकी जो होती है पेक्लेटॉक्सिल होती है। प्लेटिनम कंपाउंड आर द मोस्ट इफेक्टिव कीमोथेरेपिक एजेंट्स इन ओवेरियन कैंसर। दे आर हेवीली मेटल एजेंट दैट कॉज क्रॉस लिंकेज ऑफ डीएनए स्ट्रैंड दस अरेस्टिंग सेल्स रेप्लिकेशन। तो बेसिकली कार्बोप्लेटिन जो है वो डीएनए स्ट्रैंड्स को ब्रेक करता है। इज नाउ द मेन प्लेटिनम कंपाउंड यूज इट इज लेस रीनल टॉक्सिन कॉजेज लेस नोजिया देन सिस्प्लेटिन but is equally as effective. The dose of carboplatin is calculated according to the GFR using the area under the curve. Paclitaxel is derived from the bark of the Pacific yew and works by causing microtubular damage to the cell. तो ये तो DNA डैमेज कर रही थी, माइक्रोट्यूबुलर की डैमेज कर रही है. This prevent replication and cell division. Preemptive steroids are given due to high sensitivity reactions. Side effect of peripheral neuropathy, neutropenia, myalgia are common and dose dependent. जैसे जैसे डोज की कम हो जाएगी खत्म हो जाएंगी. Paclitaxel causes total loss of all body hairs irrespective of dose. Bevacizumab, a monoclonal antibody against vascular endothelial factor, inhibits angiogenesis. It has been shown to be clinically effective at improving recurrence-free and overall survival when in combination with carboplatin vaccine in advanced ovarian cancer. The side effect profile of these drugs include hypertension, delayed wound healing, gastrointestinal perforation, and arterial thromboembolic event. This drug is not routinely prescribed as first-line treatment for advanced ovarian cancer as on the NHS due to the cost issues. However, it is available for the treatment of recurrent disease. Following completion of the chemotherapy, patients have a further CT scan to assess response to treatment. This can be used for comparison to the future if there is clinical biochemical बेकार की बात है. Follow-up of patient include clinical examination, CA125 measurements. Studies have shown that level of CA125 start to rise prior to onset of clinical evidence of disease recurrence. However, treating isolated rising level does not improve survival. When disease recurs, treatment is largely palliative. If the duration of remission is more than 6 months, carboplatin may be used again. Otherwise, Taxol can be given or other chemotherapy agents such as topotecan or liposomal doxorubicin can be tried. The survival figures depends on the stage at presentation, volume of disease following surgery, and the histological grading of tumor. The overall 5-year survival for ovarian cancer is 46%. The figure have improved due to widespread introduction of centralized MDT care. Survival is stage dependent. Overall 5% survival for stage 1 is 90% compared to 30% for stage 3. Prognostic factor in ovarian cancer survival listed in 14.5. ये हैं आपके सर्वाइवल फैक्टर्स. स्टेज क्या है, वॉल्यूम कितना, हिस्टोलॉजी कैसी है, एज प्रेजेंटेशन थी, ओवरियन कैंसर का सर्वाइवल ये है. तो ये हुआ ये एपिथेलियल कैंसर.